Bet you didn't know your kitchen holds the secret to sparkling white teeth? We're about to unveil a surprising ingredient that's not just for your pasta sauce. Hold on to your seats as we reveal garlic, the secret weapon for teeth whitening. Garlic, a humble kitchen staple, packs a punch when it comes to teeth whitening. It's not just a flavor powerhouse, it's a dental superhero. But how does it do it? Garlic's secret lies in its natural antibacterial properties and the presence of a compound called allicin. This dynamic duo fights off oral bacteria, often the culprit behind yellowing teeth. Moreover, garlic's subtle abrasive texture aids in gently scrubbing away surface stains. So remember, garlic is not just for flavoring your food, it's a dental superhero. So, how do you use garlic for teeth whitening? It's simpler than you think. First, you'll need to peel a fresh garlic clove. Then, crush it gently to release its natural juices. That's where the magic happens. Once you've done that, apply the crushed garlic directly onto your teeth. It's essential to focus on the areas where you notice more discoloration. Leave it on for about 3 to 5 minutes, enough time for the garlic to work its wonders but not too long to cause any discomfort. After that, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Remember, consistency is key. This routine should be followed at least once a week for noticeable results. And there you have it. A natural, affordable, and effective teeth whitening solution right in your kitchen. Now that you know the secret, are you ready to give it a try? Imagine the transformation a simple clove of garlic could bring to your smile. We're curious. What are your thoughts on this natural teeth whitening method? Have you tried it before, or is this your first encounter with the power of garlic in dental health? And remember, there's no such thing as a silly question. Share your teeth whitening experiences in the comments. And don't forget to tag a friend who needs this breakthrough.